Hello everyone, myself Monica and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company, and today's topic is composition of Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha has a maximum strength of 250 members, with 238 being representatives from states and union territories and 12 being nominated by the President. Rajya Sabha currently has 245 members. 229 members represent the states, 4 members represent the union territories, and 12 members are president nominated. The fourth schedule of the constitution governs the distribution of Rajya Sabha seats among the states and union territories. State representation in Rajya Sabha. State representatives in Rajya Sabha are elected by state legislative assemblies. The election is held according to the proportional representation system with a single transferable vote. In the Rajya Sabha, seats are allocated to states based on their population. As a result, the number of representatives vary each state. Uttar Pradesh, for example, has 31 members, while Tripura has only 1. In the United States, however, all states, regardless of population, are given equal representation in the Senate. There are 50 states in the United States, and the Senate has 100 members, 2 from each state. Union territory representatives in Rajya Sabha. Members of an electoral college particularly established for the purpose elect the representatives of each union territory in the Rajya Sabha in an indirect election. This election is also being held under a proportional representation under single transferable vote. Only one of the 7 union territories have representation in Rajya Sabha. The remaining 5 union territories have too little a population to have a representation in Rajya Sabha. Members of the Rajya Sabha who have special knowledge or practical experience in art, literature, science or social services are nominated by President. The rationale behind this nomination principle is to provide distinguished people a seat in the Rajya Sabha without having to go through the electoral process. It's worth noting that there are no nominated members in the American Senate. And with that, I would like to conclude my topic. I hope you guys are clear with it, and if you guys are having any problem, you can ask me in the comments.